Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dad, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So, come along with me in this journey of wealth. I want to thank everyone for 1,000 subscribers. You have no idea how much this means to me. I didn't even think that what I had to say would reach 1,000 people. I have way more than I do Facebook friends, Instagram followers, and Twitter followers. So I'm so happy that I made this accomplishment. Therefore, I want to give a little bit back of what I have done to you guys by doing this subscriber challenge and giveaway. Before I tell you how to participate in this subscriber challenge, I just want to spend a few moments talking about some of the statistics on my YouTube channel. I started this channel 7 months ago and it has been an amazing journey. My first video came out May 30th, 2020 and has been non-stop since. As of today, Social Blade ranks me 6 millionth for my Social Blade rank and has given me a C total grade for my channel. It is way better than when I first started because I was completely unranked. A nobody when I first started. Not only did I start a YouTube channel, but to support my YouTube channel, I had to beef up my social media accounts. I even started an Instagram page where I post new motivational finance quotes almost every day there. I created the Daddy Debt Facebook group page to discuss financial questions, financial trending topics, and even your thoughts on my videos. Did you also know that I created a blog at daddydat.ashmanagement.ca so that you can watch my content there? I also made a video about my personal life, like my travels and my rental business learnings there. I have had a lot of experience and I love giving back what I have learned to you, the world. That is why I love YouTube so much, because it gives me a platform that everyone can learn from. So that's it. I also want to let you know that I've made about 60 videos to date. That's the statistics of my channel. Now, I want to share with you how I achieved this monumental achievement. First, make videos that interest you. These interests are things that you should be doing daily. Interests that you want to research on. This is so important because you will be in this for the long haul. Don't make videos that you think are popular or will grow the fastest. You will burn out quickly. If you make a video that you are excited about, other people will see it and want the same things. When I first began the YouTube journey, I spent so much time debating the story, the name, what is the right thing to do, and what the wrong thing to do was. I even had a hard time deciding what topics I wanted to talk about. These decisions really define the channel and it's so important to stick to it no matter what. Just don't spend too much time deciding, as putting content on YouTube is the only way to get recognized. I hear so many YouTubers as well changing styles midway on their channel, and it is a little disruptive to how I want to do things sometimes. Speaking of being disruptive, this will segue right into my next point, which is don't reinvent the wheel. Do something that everyone else is doing, especially those that have succeeded. I find that who I am and how I did it is unique enough for a finance channel that I don't need to reinvent YouTube that much. For example, the unique thing about me is that I'm just an everyday dad where I work hard as an engineer and budget like crazy to stay out of debt. Then one day I discovered the ASH method. The ASH method stands for accumulate, save, house. If you want more information about it, you should check out my video here. I invested this money in the stock market and the real estate. Now I can run a side company that manages over $3 million in real estate. Because of that, I can travel the world with my wife every year and live in a 2,000 square feet house. until finally I am now 95% plus of the way there to becoming a millionaire. Another thing that I do is to simply reuse the knowledge that is out there already. Watch how other people said they would do it and take action. When other YouTubers keep talking about putting links in the description down below, I put links down there. This also includes affiliate links. I try to reuse as many tags in the video description and choose keywords that work with the SEO. To me, there isn't an exact formula for SEO on how to pick these keywords. It's always hit or miss for me, but doing a little bit of research will improve your chances to those who won't. The next thing I would do is to subscribe to some of the big YouTubers. For finance, I subscribe to Graham Stephan, Andre Jick, Dan Loke, Nate O'Brien, and Ryan Scribner. These are some of my favorite people that I love to learn from. I try my best to copy their setup, including camera, lighting, background, and talking style. I listen to them all the time for any hints or tips that they did to improve their channel. The thing about these big YouTuber names is that they have built a brand. So, to build your brand, make sure that the channel homepage looks professional. Make sure the listener is able to access your information as easily and as quickly as possible. Make it well known who you are and what benefits you offer in your channel. For example, how did Dan Loke get the titles of Asian Dragon and Boston Bentley? What about Brandon Turner as Beardy Brandon? Branding is so important to me, and that is why I call myself Daddy Dat. To me, this name has a nice ring to it, don't you think? Other things you can do to polish your image is by creating headers for your channel, filling the About section, putting a relevant About Me video at the top of your channel, and even having a professional profile picture to use. After the brand is created, the next thing to do is to get out there and network. Build relationships with other YouTubers. I have been out there and about making connections, subscribing to my favorite YouTubers, making sure I do my part in smashing that like button for everyone else's YouTube algorithm, and commenting on my thoughts on the importance of their video. I absolutely love the interactions because I get a chance to also comment back on some of the comments you guys leave for me. I really enjoyed the supportive community that YouTube has offered me. YouTube is a way more supportive platform than forums like Reddit, Facebook, and Stack Overflow. In those places, comments get criticized a lot. They tell people to ask better questions. They even tell people that the question has been answered. In my opinion, that is the most unhelpful answer. The YouTube community is so much nicer, and I love you guys for that. The other thing that I make sure that I do is that I comment back. Your feedback is so important to me, and I make sure that I let you know that I truly appreciate your comments by putting a heart on your post. Nothing is worse to see than 20 views and 2 comments on my videos. I'm so lucky to have all of you guys contributing back to my channel. After all, YouTube to me is just like the workplace family. We collaborate together, have meetings together, give feedback to each other, and even do team building exercises together. So now I want to move on to the tools that I use to help me get to where I am. My filming equipment that I use for my studio is a Canon D3500 camera. I also have a Rode mic that I use to record the audio. I have the links in the description down below. I live a very frugal life, so that's really all I use. I also build a lot of makeshift things using what I have at home to save money. It's the engineer inside of me, but also the frugal side of me. These things are like stands for lighting, stands for sound, and props for the studio setup. On the software side of things, I use Adobe Premiere Pro for my video editing and Photoshop for my thumbnails. I use a lot of Excel and Word to organize my plans and my YouTube channel. Then I use Google extensions like vidIQ to help me with my SEO for the videos and PocketTube to help organize my YouTube channel. That's it! That is everything I use to make my YouTube channel grow. Well, on to the subscriber challenge, the moment you've been waiting for. This will be a month-long challenge that will last a month long. I will be offering a chance to win $100 to the winner. This is how it works. All you need to do is smash that like button, subscribe button if you haven't yet, and comment below what number your like was. That is the number after the like button turns blue. It's that simple. If you are the selected winner, you will automatically receive $50 plus whatever amount I get from the YouTube monetization during the contest period. If it's $2, you get $52. In a fat chance that it is $1,000, you will get $1,050. It's really up to everybody how much value this challenge will be. So make sure you share this video and ask your friends to watch it as well to increase the prize money. At the beginning of every video during the contest period, I will update you on how much money the YouTube channel is making so you will know what the prize money is. On the draw date, I will be using the comment picker to select one person to be the winner. The selected winner will have a chance to receive an additional $50 if that person has made a comment on the Daddy Dat Facebook group under this subscriber challenge post on Facebook. So, to qualify for the additional $50, you will need to join the Daddy Dat Facebook group, comment under the subscriber challenge post your YouTube channel name during the contest period. The link for the Daddy Dat Facebook group is in the description down below. To recap, the first $50 plus whatever money I make from the YouTube channel until the contest period ends will be yours if the comment picker selects your name that has the like number in your comment. Then, if you are the selected winner and have joined the Daddy Dat Facebook group and commented your YouTube channel name under the subscriber challenge post, you will receive an additional $50. The official contest rules are on my blog at daddydat.ashmanagement.ca in the description down below. If you have any questions, join me at the Daddy Dat Facebook group to talk about your finance questions. Ask the YouTube community your questions by commenting below. Good luck, everybody! If you'd like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat saving you money.